what facilities he get from educational advisor and what from the university. So what are the process for admission in KSMA? Is it possible to apply to the university?
You didn't study in that university. That is not possible. It is from the Ministry of Education because we have official contract.
What facilities educational advisor provide from the second year to the last year?
They can't get you admission.
Why they want to migrate or take admission in the KSMA?
The president, Sadir Jafarov, he signed a decree. The government of Kyrgyzstan is saying that the majority of students who pass the NRE exam is and don't involve in other extra activities like the local student can't answer but our student answer.
What are the PMDC rules for the admission in foreign medical universities?
So I have one advice for the student.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of MedCast KSMA. I am your host Yaman Muhammad. As you know, whenever we invite any guest to our studio, we discuss about their field and their contribution to KSMA. But today, on our students' demand, we are going to discuss about admission and migration process for the foreign medical students in KSMA, and also we are going to discuss about life in Bishkek and Kyrgyzstan. And for that topic, we are joined by Dr. Adnan Khan.
Thank you so much for inviting me here.
First of all, thank you so much to you also, sir, for giving us your precious time. Before we start our podcast, can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Of course. So my name is Dr. Adnan Khan and I am graduated from Kyrgyzstan in the year 2023. And from there I went to Pakistan. There I did my house job. In 2023 I started my house job and I finished my house job in 2024. And throughout this time I also prepared for my NRE steps, which is two steps. So while doing my house job, I cleared my PMDC NRE step 1 and step 2. Then I have the opportunity and I pursued a certificate from Aga Khan University in internal medicine, and now I am serving in educational department as a head of admission and as a head of NRE team KSMA at educational advisor.
Okay, sir. Sir, as you mentioned that you are the representative of KSMA and also you are the educational advisor representative.
Yes.
So we start from our main question, that what are the process for admission in KSMA?
So the admission process is quite easy as compared to other countries. Like you don't need any IELTS for the admission, IELTS exam, and you don't have to show any proper bank statement or something like that. You just need to have 60% marks in your FSC, and then you have to pass your MDCAT, in which you must have 50% of percentage, and then you can apply through our official site or through our official office. You can go there, or we have contact, so you can contact us and we will you will provide us FSC and a metric mark sheet with MDCAT result, and then we will proceed your document and then we will do your admission.
What is the actual requirement for admission in KSMA?
The actual requirement in KSMA is like you must have 60% of marks in your FSC, or any other country international students can also apply, but they must have in their course biology, chemistry and physics, and their score must be 60% in that subjects.
Okay. All right, sir. So you know the KSMA is one of the well-known university, not in the Kyrgyzstan only, but also in the Central Asia. And right now there are many other Central Asia's countries students, international students who want to migrate to KSMA. So can you tell us what is the first we go with the process? What is the process for migration? Or first, that is it possible or not? First thing is that.
Yes, of course it is possible. Before, I don't know that what was the process, but now I know that the process is every semester we give this opportunity for the students who are studying in different medical universities, different international medical universities, like they are in Kazakhstan, they are in Uzbekistan, they are in Tajikistan, or some other Central Asian countries, and they want to migrate to KSMA because, as you said, that KSMA is the best Central Asian university, and it is the state university of Kyrgyzstan. So it is very good for the students who want to migrate because they will not face any problem in their future, in their accreditation, in their license, in their like if I will say for Pakistan, it is recognized, always recognized by Pakistan Medical and Dental Council. So the process is very simple. It is also very simple. You have to collect your transcript from your university in which you are studying, original transcript, and then you will have required an NOC, non-objection certificate, from that university, and with that you will need to give us passport, a white background photo, and your FSC and metric certificate. And with that you can contact our officials, and we will give you some acceptance letter or admission letter, and then these documents we will submit to our university. They will check your document, and they will see that how much your subject there is subject difference, right? You are from different university, and these universities have different syllabus, so there will be some subject difference which they will calculate, and we will through us we will tell you that how much your credit hours is, and then we will tell you that in which semester you can get admission, and in how many days you will get your visa.
Okay, that's mean that it's not that if you are from third year and you apply to KSMA for migration, it's not necessary that you will get admission in third year if your course hour is less than the requirement.
No, it is depend on your old university from which you are migrating, because every university have their own subject syllabus, and our universities have different. So we will check it out that how many subject you are deficient. You didn't study in that university. Like there, if you are coming from third year or maybe second year, like you can get admission from from third semester till 8th semester. Many student ask this question that, sir, can I get admission in 9th semester? So it is not possible. It is from the Ministry of Education that you can only get till 8th semester from third semester. It is one question. And the second question, that everyone will have different subject difference. So if you will give us document, we will give to the university. They will check it out. Everything, like there is difference in your language. If you are coming from different countries, they have different language courses, right, in your university. So it will be different here, like Kyrgyz language, then Manas, then history. Everything is different here. So you must complete those subjects. And in your academic, like in medical subject, there is also, you will maybe you didn't study some subject there, you will study here. So that will come in your subject difference.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is one main question, then we will further go. What is the migration open timing? Yani when migration open?
Yes. Actually, it is open in last semester. It was open in July till August, and now it is open. You can submit your document till 15th of January.
Till 15 January.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, there is one question that many social media students say, and then other students think about it, that is it possible to apply to the university either for admission or for migration directly to the university, not involve the educational advisor team?
No, it is not possible, because we have official contract with KSMA, and they can't get you admission.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. You tell us about the migration timing, migration process, requirements. And you also clear one of the doubt of the student that we can get directly admission in KSMA or not. You spent almost 7 years in the Kyrgyzstan. So what you think about Kyrgyzstan?
Personally, I believe that this country, it is very small country with good weather and good people and very educated people here in Kyrgyzstan. And you can see there are more opportunities.
Yep.
Like you can study here, you can work here, and the more people came here, I just realized that always when I just review them, that I ask how you feel here in Kyrgyzstan. It is a very safe country, actually, very safe.
Well, yeah, it's right. I think I forgot one question about regarding KSMA. We almost discuss about admission and migration process, and you are the part of educational advisor team.
Yeah.
Can you tell me that if someone get admission or migration here
Yeah,
and he arrived to the Bishkek,
yeah.
what facilities he get from educational advisor and what from the university?
Okay.
Or we can say that you already told that university give contract to educational advisor team, so it's directly meant that all responsibilities or you can say all facilities will provide from educational advisor, not university.
So as you said that we have official contract with Kyrgyz State Medical Academy. So it's these all processes are done by educational advisor team. If a student will submit a document, we first provide the admission letter, okay, from university, and after that we apply for visa. The duration of admission letter is 2 days. After that we give visa in within a week. And then when student as you know, we have charter flight from Pakistan. Student student can buy ticket from educational advisor directly through any our official representative. And then when he arrive in Kyrgyzstan, we have our representative at the airport. They will wait for the students. When they arrive, they will pick them and will go to the directly to the hostel. There they will serve them some lunch, or if dinner time, they will serve them dinner. Then they will rest. Then after a day, or they can come to our office. Then we will do official contract.
Yep.
And after contract we will submit the document, and everything we will do. There is nothing more, like everything will be done by educational advisor team.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are the, this is for the first year,
Yeah.
what facilities educational advisor provide from, like in first year, if I told about myself that educational provide us hostel
Yeah.
and also the mess
Yeah.
system. So what facilities educational advisor provide from the second year to the last year?
So, when student first came to Kyrgyzstan, Kyrgyz State Medical Academy, we have a contract with student that they must live first year of their study in hostel, and we provide them everything necessary for their life. Okay. So after second year, as you know, we have different hostels. Like KGMA, now we have 6 hostels in which our student can live, and they can pay the hostel fee, and they can live there. The miss is not compulsory. If they want to cook, there we have kitchen, there have stoves, there have everything we give to the student, and they can manage by themselves.
Okay, sir. As we mentioned before that many students want to get admission or migrate to the KSMA. The question is why they want to migrate or take admission in the KSMA. Like what the achievements and why they want this.
Listen, you know that KGMA is the oldest university of Kyrgyzstan. Since 1939, it is established in 1939. And from that time, it is the government own state medical university of Kyrgyzstan. And many like thousand of international students already graduated from these universities, and they are now on prestigious position designation throughout the world. And KGMA have a lot of hospitals, like student can do practice there. Like you can see 30 hospital in this city of Bishkek. Like in that 7 is the national hospitals, in which 5 or 6 hospital is the Republic, we call it Republic centers, and then 13 hospital city centers, clinic. So like you can have a lot of opportunity to practice here. And at the KGMA University, they have many accreditation, like from WHO, from ECFMG, from IR, from OFO, from ADNET, and they always take first position in these accreditation. And recently, as you know, the government of Kyrgyzstan, the president Sadir Jafarov, he signed a decree. Like in this decree, he mentioned that from now onwards, like from July 2026, all the institutes which are located in Kyrgyzstan and Bishkek, so they will be become like branches of Kyrgyz State Medical Academy. The KGMA University will have the right to accredit and check all the medical institution, and they will see either this university have have all the requirements to give like they can give
Like
admission.
we simply say that from their syllabus to exam, everything's come under
Will
the
be controlled
supervision
by
of KSMA.
Yes.
But it's from July 2026 or it's currently?
No, it is the decree is signed in 2025 in March, but it will be implemented from July 2026. Right. So the government of Kyrgyzstan is saying that KGMA is the best university. And as I told you, there are many of our students. They have many, they are working now as a HOD somewhere, head of departments, and on different specialty they are working. So, KGMA always contact with their student, and we have alumni, so we know that our student the countries, if I will say that which country is best for MBBS, so I will say Kyrgyzstan, because our student, when they go to Pakistan, so the majority of student who pass the NRE exam is Kyrgyzstan, and especially KGMA.
Okay, we will discuss about NRE further. There is one more thing that as we know, if we mention about Kyrgyz State Medical Academy and their hospitals, you say that there are 30 hospitals and around, I think 12 are national hospitals.
No, 7.
7 are national hospital. Then we have also city hospital, and also there is another which called clinical hospitals. And except this, there are many others in Bishkek also, and as I know that there are in other regions also KSMA have. And second thing that you mentioned that right now from July 2026, KSMA will be going to be supervise all the private universities of the Kyrgyzstan.
They will check either the institution have the requirements to take admission and give diplomas to student to practice, but there will be some criteria. If they fulfill those criteria, so they will do. They can take admission. If they didn't fulfill those criteria, so they will become the branches of KSMA. Or there will be only the course of basic, not clinical. Yes. No, it's when I came here, I joined KSMA. I saw many students from different countries. They came here to study. They are from Kazakhstan. they are from Uzbekistan, they are from Tajikistan, they are from Pakistan, they are from India, they are from Bangladesh, they are from Egypt. So like there are multicultural environment
Yeah.
in this university. I never see this type of culture in other university.
Okay.
Yeah.
Before we go further, what is your advice to KSMA students, especially foreign students? Here is our camera. You can see in it.
Yeah, of course. For those students who are currently enrolled in our
Currently.
student, so I will. Our student is very good student. I know, and I will just advise them that you just prepare for your country and don't involve in other extra activities like in bad activities. I mean, so please try to concentrate on your study and there are many you can study in your hostel, you can come to library, you spend more time in library and make your parents and teacher proud one day and clear this NRE exam. Especially for Pakistani student, if you go to Pakistan, if you can't get this license, you will have a lot of difficult time. So if you will study here and you go, so I believe KSMA student, you can do it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now we can, as you discussed many time about NRE,
Yeah.
and you also tell in your introduction that
Yes.
you clear NRE in the first attempt.
Yeah.
So, Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
So, what you recommend to the students? Like first, we talk about those students who are on the last year. In the last year,
Okay.
that should they join institute? Also, we include those students who are currently in Pakistan and preparing for the exam. So, should they join institute or they do their self study?
Yeah. Okay, so I believe on self study. I did it by myself. I didn't join any academy or any institution for this purpose. But this depend on student whether he spend time in study here or he did some extra activities in his student period, right? Like we have a lot of students, yeah. So I mean, it's depend on student. So if student didn't study much like here, so he can join actually. And it is not that you can do it in 3 months, 4 months. Minimum I can say that if you study 6 months for this NRE exam with full heart, you can clear it. It's not that much difficult. Our teacher, our institution try hard. I know this. But if you will try, because the system here is different from Pakistan. If you go to academy, they will tell you that how to study for exam and what is the important topic and important things to study. So actually, if I will say that if you studied everything here, so it's good to go. Do yourself. Try. And if you think that there is some deficiency in your academic, so you can join academy. I will advise this.
Like you mentioned that the system of education in KSM is different. So one question come in my mind, or you can say that I want that you can tell about our practice and lecture class to our audience.
Okay.
Because if I told about myself, when first time I came here and I saw that, because it's totally different from Pakistan.
Yeah.
It was one of the biggest shock for me.
Yeah.
That what is this right now?
No, I can tell you the system which this country and this university is following, it's a Russian system.
Yeah.
In which you will go to lecture first, you will take lecture and then you will do practice class.
Yeah.
In Pakistan, we have only lectures.
Yes.
Okay, so this system is much advanced from Pakistan.
Yeah, like if someone who only study at the end of the semester and the student who have to prepare every class, because if I tell about ourselves that we have every subject we have 2 classes in each week, one for the lecture, one for the practice. In lecture teacher tell us about the topic,
Yeah.
and in practice class we have to then we have to tell those things to our
Yeah.
teacher and
Then
answer their question.
in lecture, in lecture, the teacher explain you everything, and then when you go to the practical classes, the teacher asks you questions, and you must have to answer. If you don't answer, so you will get 2 marks, and 2 marks mean you will have to rework that.
If we talk till here that we have to give answer, it's normal thing.
Yeah.
But when you say that you have to get marks in each class,
Yeah.
and there is 5 marks for each class, and you have to get at least 3 marks for good,
Yeah.
then we have 4 for very good,
Yeah.
and 5 for excellent student who are, and about 1 or 2 is for the student that he has to prepare this topic and the next topic for next class
again.
each topic.
Yeah.
So this is one of the shock, but I think it's much more better than that we prepare at the end of the semester than we just.
So if you will prepare in the end of semester, you will have a lot of burden.
Yeah.
And if you prepare for every class, every lecture, it's very easy, and you can do it very easily. And teachers are very cooperative, as you know. They help you, and sometime when you didn't answer properly to the teacher, so they give you time, and they really help. But if you follow this system of KGMA and you try your best, you can become a good doctor. I can believe this.
Okay, we are discussing about NRE. We come to our main topic. What do you think that if someone pass NRE step 1 and work, maybe he pass step 2 also, or before we ask this, that one more question that we ask about, you give the suggestion for the student who is in the 5th year or pass out from here. Question is, if someone is in 2nd year, 3rd year and 4th year, what your advice to them, that how should they start their preparation and when they have to start preparation for NRE?
Okay, so I think that first year is very difficult time for the student. So I will say that follow your university only. Okay. After 2nd year, you will have only medicine related subject, as you know. So I can tell you that there are more doctors who give online subscription, and throughout the world, every student is taking these online lectures. So for the interest of student, I will not mention any teacher, but I will say there are many. You can join someone, you can take a subscription, and you do every day some topics and make notes every day. At the end of your semester, you will have a lot of knowledge. You can pass your paper, and also you are preparing for home exam, NRE. So from 2nd year to 5th year, this is the way. And if someone is already our student already get diplomas, and for those I can say that you must prepare. Either it is from academy or you can do by yourself, but must prepare. It's only 3 to 4 months preparation. You can do easily, and you can pass exam. It's not a difficult exam. Actually, the NRE exam is based on scenarios question, which is the clinical question. So they want to check you that after they give you license, you don't harm any human being. That's the main thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is that if someone complete, you also do house job in Pakistan, yes?
Yeah, I did 1 year house job in Pakistan.
Okay, so question is that if someone complete NRE exam, both NRE step 1 and step 2.
Yeah.
Now question is that the foreign medical student and the student who complete their degree from Pakistan, both are equal or not?
Yes.
And in the hospitals, especially in the hospitals, the senior doctor take them, both of them, equally or not?
No. Actually, if you get license from Pakistan, you are equal. You can get
Mhm.
any government job. You can do practice anywhere you want. You can open your own hospital. Till that, it is same. But when you go to the hospitals and they heard that you are foreign, so they think that they came from foreign and they didn't study. But we have examples of student, a lot of examples
Yes.
that the local people, the local student can't answer, but our student answer. And the teachers, some teachers maybe they don't like they do some sort of discrimination
You can say they
between foreign
underestimate the
and
foreign
local,
students.
but most of them are very good, because I also did. They help us a lot,
Mhm.
and we respect them. But there are some people who discriminate between foreign and local, so it should be eliminated, because it is not good for medical students, because we are from we are same doctors. When we passed our license exam, we became equal like Pakistan. So I think everyone deserve respect like others. So I will say it is good.
Okay.
Uh,
As we are now talking about Pakistan exam, then I think this question is also which we have to ask in the starting, but now it's okay. What are the PMDC rules
Mhm.
for the admission in foreign medical universities?
Okay. The PMDC rules for admission in foreign institutes is very simple. You must have MDCAT,
Yeah.
about 50% marks. You can, if you get 50% marks, and if you have FSC and metric, which is intermediate and 10th standard,
Mhm.
of 60%, you can get 60% marks in that, so you can
Pursue
get
for the
admission.
foreign.
Yeah.
Okay, we have talked a lot of about studies,
Uh-huh.
and almost we took too much time. Now
Yeah.
it's time to wind up. But before we wind up, you almost spent too much time in Kyrgyzstan. Why not we discuss something about Kyrgyzstan?
Okay.
So we start from the places.
Okay.
Which are the most favorite place for you and why in Kyrgyzstan?
Okay.
Maybe in Bishkek or out of the Bishkek, no issue.
So my favorite place is in Bishkek, where I live for about 4 years, is
Mhm.
6 micro district.
Mhm.
And I like that place because it's like, in Russian we say spakoina. It is like there are not rush, there are no bazaar or something like that. This is very calm place, and I like to live in calm places. That's why I prefer to live in 6 micro district or 7 micro district. This micro district areas are
Yeah.
very good near Atusai Bazaar.
Okay.
And other places, if you want me to say that which places are I visited or something like that.
Yeah. For
Okay.
visiting and adventure.
So for adventure and visiting, I have been to Isikul,
Mhm.
Karakol.
Karakol.
Yeah.
Have you
Eh,
done Karakol Sky?
Yeah. Yeah,
One time?
once. Yeah. So the in summer the Isikul is very good
Very good.
place, and in winter the Karakul
Karakol.
is very good place.
Yeah.
So I like both, very good places. And Jalalabad, and then when you go to Jalalabad, the traditional food, you can check it out on the way. And when you go to Jalalabad, you can see the mountains.
Mhm.
Everything is something different, and it's really nice when you go there. So I prepare. I myself been to these places, and I like these places very much.
What is your favorite restaurant in Bishkek?
Okay, there are a lot actually.
No,
Not one, but one that is I almost like. I always go. It's Saria Cafe.
Saria Cafe.
Yeah,
Why?
because
No.
I like the ambience.
Ambience.
Yeah,
My question was that
yeah.
regarding what? Uh, Okay, what
And you know, Bishkek is known for their restaurant,
Yeah.
for their hospitable and delicious food.
Also, their ambitions are
Very good.
Okay. If we talk about food, we include Kyrgyz food as well as because you know that in Bishkek there are many other countries' restaurants, other food restaurants like Turkish restaurants and Japanese also, because there are too much sushis and other things. What are your favorite dishes?
Okay,
Bishkek?
so I tried like I'm from Pakistan, so I tried Pakistani. So, but in Bishkek, I like the Turkish food and then Kyrgyz food.
Now,
So-
if we talk about dishes,
Dishes, yeah, I will tell you the dishes. Okay, so in I always prepare like meat. So I chak shawarma I like in Turkish food, and in Kyrgyz food I like mante
okay.
and lagman, besh barmak. I like this food in Kyrgyz traditional food.
Okay. If we ask you if you know about this or not,
Okay.
if someone want to visit some restaurant
Uh-huh.
which is good at location as well as budget, because
Okay, budget
student
friendly.
first want to see their budgets, so budget friendly restaurant which you will recommend.
So I think I have Skyberry is a good option for students. Then we have this Saria Cafe, and also Usta, I can say.
Usta.
Yeah, it's a little bit expensive, but sometime you can go there. Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to wind up, but before that, what you talk about the weather of the Kyrgyzstan? How you like?
Mind blowing. This is one of the reason I will say that please come to Bishkek and enjoy the weather, because in summer it's hot, but not that much like in Pakistan or India or other countries. It's like normal. When you will be in home, it will be like normal, but when you will go to the in sun, so you will feel a little heat, but not that much. And in summer, like in winter, it's snow.
Yes.
And you know, our Pakistani Indian people, how much we like snow. So it's like, and you know, the facility here, like it's not that outside is snow and in your room or home will be cold. They have centralized heating system. You will not feel anything in your home that it's outside snow and here is cold. No, you can even you can sleep in your t-shirt, no problem, because their centralized heating system is very good.
Yes, I agree from that. Before we end up, do you have any advice or suggestions to the students for the KSMA?
Okay, so I have one advice for the student who who are seeking for admission. So I will tell you that come join KSMA. It is one of the prestigious and best university of Kyrgyzstan. I personally have been here from 6 years. I'm living here, and KGMA is the best university. So I will advise you to come and join KSMA.
Okay.
For your future.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for joining us today as we discussed today regarding admission and migration to the KSMA for foreign medical student, and also about NREs and PMDC rules for admission. And at the end, we discuss about life in Kyrgyzstan, Bishkek and Kyrgyzstan. Once again, thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
And for our audience, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and if you have any question or any advices, then you can give us in your comments. Thank you so much.